Hello guys, please welcome to today's session on post-hoc analysis in Python tutorial. When do we perform a post-hoc analysis? We actually perform a post-hoc analysis after one has done ANOVA test, and we tell us that there's an overall difference in the means of groups that you are working with, but ANOVA fails to tell us which specific groups differed. So we perform post-hoc analysis after one has performed ANOVA test to actually test which groups actually had the specific mean differed or had the alternative hypothesis being accepted. We have a number of post-hoc tests, but for this tutorial we use Turkey's test in this tutorial. In our previous tutorial, if you have not watched it, kindly go to my channel and watch the tutorial on ANOVA, then before you can come to this one to understand more. We wanted to know which teaching methods had the best, or did they even differ in their student performance. So we performed an ANOVA, one-way ANOVA test results, and the results shows that there was differences in the means of each group. So we had a p-value of 0.01. So that means there's some overall differences in each group. But I want to find out which pair of groups had these differences. So that's where we perform post-hoc analysis. So now let's go to our Python to work it on. We have the Visual Studio Code, and I'm running Jupyter Notebook here. So we have to import our libraries, pandas as PDS, as PD, and then import NumPy as NP, and import glob. Then we'll run it. So let's create a variable called file, and then we'll glob it. Code asterisk. I'm looking for my data set. So my data set is also in Excel sheet, so we glob it. And now I print file. I have this number of files I'll be working with, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using the first data set. So, and in Python we index from 0. So this is 0, 0. So we use square brackets for indexing 0. So that's it. So we are going to read the file into Visual Studio Code. So let me create a variable called df, and then pd.read.sl, and then file 0 my read. So let's open the file df. So this is my data set. I've finally read it into my Visual Studio Code. So we have to change the data format. We have to take it in 2 columns. So in doing that, we create a new variable df underscore new is equal to pd.melt. It's a command that is used for converting it. Then we have pdf dot reset underscore index. Then we have the id, which is equal to none. Then we have the value underscore was square bracket. Then we copy the headings of each data set. Yeah. I will separate it with comma. Scan another one. Copy the case presentation to and copy PPT. Copy PPT. Then we run it. So let's open our df underscore. So this is how it is now. So we have 2 columns. We have 2 columns here. We have the variables here, and we have the value. We want to change the heading. So put dot column. Column is equal to a square bracket. We want to make it method, because these are teaching methods. Then we want to maintain the value as it is, value. I'll click on it. So then let's run df and that's df. Then you see the headings has been changed down. Okay, so now let's go into our post-hoc analysis now. In order to perform the post analysis, we need some libraries. We need some libraries from stat models dot stats dot multi we import. We are going to do multi-comparison, so multi-comparison, and then from stats model again dot stats dot multi, we now import the turkeys the same turkeys test. We'll run it. So now let's create a variable called equal to the multi. Then we have our data set to be df underscore new. Then index, first of all we index the value. Then we index the method too. Index the method too. So method. Then we'll control shift run it. So now let's create another variable. Let's say turkeys underscore results. Let's make it so com dot turkeys. So our p-value, we'll put 0.5 there. That's our p-value, 0.5. Then we'll come there. Then turkeys underscore results underscore summary. Then we'll run it. So this is our results. So from this post-hoc analysis, you can see that the Blackboard and then PPT is only groups that had a deferred or difference mean. That's why we are rejecting. So we reject the null hypothesis. So it's true. We are going to reject it. So, and you can see that the p-value here is 0.01, which is significant. But for the Blackboard and case presentation, there is no significant differences in their means, and also with case presentation and PPT. So we can actually tell that it's the Blackboard and PPT that has significant differences in the performance of the student. Hello guys, thank you for this tutorial. If you like it, kindly like it and then subscribe to it for more videos.